Luis Diaz Polanco got into an altercation with a young woman who had arrived at his home to pick up his mother for work. During the argument, Polanco began damaging the woman's car. His mother called the police to report his violent behavior. Polanco had been diagnosed with schizophrenia and had stopped taking his prescribed medication at the time of the incident. He later confessed to investigators that he was having a horrible day and had premeditated the attack, stating, "If I didn't run out of ammunition, I would have killed them all." It was also revealed that he had reportedly consulted an AI chatbot regarding self-defense laws prior to the incident. He was armed with a tan Glock handgun that he had illegally purchased from a friend in Sanford. Deputy Jose Rivera, an experienced officer serving since 2023, and his trainee, Deputy Gomez Lopez, who was only on his 8th day of street patrol, arrived at the residence at 2684 Candler Drive in Deltona. Their objective was to investigate the reported battery and vandalism. The deputies knocked on the front door. Polanco answered the door holding a box and appeared visibly surprised to see law enforcement on his porch. The officers asked him to put the box down and step outside. Instead of complying, Polanco abruptly slammed the door in their faces and locked it. Peering through a window near the door, the deputies observed Polanco walking toward the back of the house, still carrying the box. Assessing the situation, Deputy Rivera instructed his trainee, Lopez, to reposition and move to the rear of the home to intercept the suspect in case he tried to escape through the back door.
Hey, Sheriff's Office, how you doing? Where you going, bud? Yep. Cross fire! Yo, you good? No. You okay? Look, give me a second. Where's your...
No, it's behind you.
You got the thing?
I got a tourniquet on. Can you give me another tourniquet, please?
Yes, I am. That's what I'm getting. He's right here.
Rivera, we need to get you out of here, though. Okay. We're going to get you to a safer spot, okay? Come on.
Go to my car. Go to my car. Go to my car. Whoa, your arm is shot too. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Give me your car. Give me your car. Got it, buddy. Got it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Let's go. Go.
You have a tourniquet? Yes. Okay. Just look. Get comfortable.
Hold on.
Just breathe. I got you. You're okay. You're okay. Just breathe. All right? We're here. We got you, buddy.
I got you, buddy. Stay with me.
Just open my door now. Don't try to shoot this him. Come to that side. Alright, come on. Come on. I got you. Let me get to your other side, okay? Your bad side. I got you. Keep it now. Alright, I got you, buddy. Take your time, okay? We're here. We need officer shot, one in the leg, one in the arm.
We have a tourniquet on?
Yep, we have tourniquets on.
All right.
All right. All right.
Go up on with you. Hold it. I've got lethal. You've got hands on, all right?
No te muevas.
Who's trained 4045?
You gotta go. Make contact. Clear that. Hold on. Come over here with the shield. Come over here with the shield.
Hold the car.
Come over here. Hold up. Hold that.
I got them. You guys do.
Yeah.
Cuffs on. Get up.
Low gear.
You get a good search on him? Stand up.
He doesn't remember. Can you have it, Cat? Shorts and a t-shirt, yeah?
Get him.
I don't know his car. My car's way down there.
Okay. Whose car is this? All right. Get him in this car over here.
FII.